Hi, Xavier. Today's story is called Simon Loves the Rain. Simon Loves the Rain, written by Anne Harth. So the author is Anne Harth. I wonder what this story is going to be about. I think we got a lot of clues in the title. Simon loves the rain. He wears his red boots and a yellow hat. He pulls on his green coat. "Take your umbrella, Simon," Mom says. "Okay," says Simon as he grabs his purple umbrella. The rain comes down. Pitter, pitter, pitter. Oh, wow. That looks like fun. Simon jumps in puddles. Splish, splish, splish. Have you jumped in puddles, Xavier? The rain comes down harder. Patter, patter, patter. Simon jumps in deeper puddles. Splash, splash, splash. The rain is heavy. Plonk, plonk, plonk. Simon jumps in puddles. Water fills his boots. Slosh, slosh, slosh. Ooh, he seems like he's having a lot of fun. Simon runs inside. Mom looks at Simon. I wonder what she thinks. His hat drips. His coat drips. His boots are full of water. Simon holds up his umbrella. Look, Mom, I took my umbrella. Did he use his umbrella? What is the color of Simon's umbrella? Do you remember? Purple. That's right. What type of day is it outside in the story? Well, I think even the title gives us a clue. Simon loves the rain. So I think it's a rainy day outside. What does Mom give Simon? She makes sure he takes that purple umbrella. And what color is Simon's hat? Let's take a look. It's yellow. I enjoyed reading this story about the rain with you today. I hope you have a great day.